Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. I haven't been recording in ages, and I mean like 6 or 7 months. And yeah, so I'm going to be starting a new series on Minecraft, and it is survival. So let's create this. By the way, I did get a new computer at Christmas time. It is a gaming computer, so I'll be doing more computer things than mobile things, so that's good. By the way, Crowbar Jones will still be up, I think. Ooh. Okay, so we are in... Oh, there's a village over there. Okay, so we've already gotten a good start. We already have a village. We have a village. And, yeah, I don't want to go into that cave because, you know. So let's go to the village first. Because obviously they can have stuff there. So, yes. Do they have a... I forgot what it's called. Oh no, they don't have it. Right. Oh, hello. We can get a cat maybe. They are full of cats down here. Right, we can... To survive for the night, we're going to live in one of these village houses. Because they have beds. And yeah, oh, excuse me, can I be... Oh, rude. Okay. Right, let's go. Do they have a chest? They do. Ooh, oh my god, they have golden nuggets. I can make stuff with that. A tree. I mean, maybe for decoration, okay. They have a book. Oh yeah, book. Apples. I will take these apples, thank you. Taters. Oh, and another golden nugget. Nice. I might live in this house maybe for the night. Because, like, it has beds in it. I don't think I'll need this many beds or something like that. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is get a tree. Do you mind if I take your tree, guys? I'll just go to one of these trees. Because the village looks pretty with... What the... No, thank you. Right, let's go to the trees. Oh, I just got sugarcane. I can maybe craft a cake if I get any more ingredients for sugarcane. Right, let's get the tree. Right. Nice, a nice little tree. Thank you for your wood. Also, I hate floating trees. It's really annoying. Alright, let's make 20 of those. Let's make one crafting table. Some sticks. And then I'm going to make some tools. So I'm going to make a sword. Definitely a sword. Pickaxe. And, I guess that's all I really need. Actually, I'll need an axe. Alright, let's get this. Maybe I should, like, get stone, I don't know, like, from here, the mountain or something. Well, not really a mountain, but... Actually, I don't know. Okay. Oh, there's a cave down here. Oh, sugar. Alright, let's do this, because I don't want to waste my axe on something I don't need it for. So, they also have hay. I don't know if I can get a horse. Do they do horses down here? Do you do, can you trade them? Oh. 22 carrots for an emerald. Okay, thank you. Alright, let's just get the wheat. Let's just attack the wheat. Attack the wheat! Yeah. Because this is also from a cake. I'm making a cake, so. Now I need to find some carrots. People, where do you have your carrots? Here? No, not there. I don't think they do. Oh, I'm getting hungry. I'm just gonna eat some of these. Oh, oopsies. Right, let's just go back to that house I was in. Oh, there is a horse and a baby. Oh, that's cool. Okay. I'm not gonna attack you, sir, because you're gonna go for a swim. That's nice. Very lovely. So, okay. Jesus. Sorry. I think I might, like, stick with this house, but this is our starter house. Soon we're gonna build a mansion. Like a big mansion. Right. Seeds. Okay. Just, put our sticks in here for, actually, no. Yeah, put this in here for now. These nuggies. Actually, what can I actually get with floating nuggets or something? Oh. What can I like? Alright, a golden carrot. How many? I only have, let's see, I only have 3. Golden apple. That. Nope. I need 5 more for that. So no, I'm not going to do that. Alright, what's your trade? 10 clay, 1 emerald. 1 emerald for 16 bread. That is just a voice trade. But I'm going to look in that house, see if they have anything. I'm just going to look in the houses for now. Righty-ho. Oh, I already looked in. Nope. Nope. Maybe this one? Oh, yeah. Just potatoes and apples. Lovely. Very lovely. Right, let's get these. Well, won't be short on food for any time soon. Hello, sheep. Can I have your wool? Can I? Right. I've got my sword. I might go mining soon. Yeah, mining or something like that. What is this, by the way? Oh, I know what it is. So, okay, let me just. Oh, that's what it's for. Okay, I just wasted all my seeds. Well, I don't really need seeds. Oh, carrots. Oh, sorry. You were in my way, mate. Not really my fault, but yeah. There's a lot of cases, so we don't want to fall in them. So, yeah. Right, not really getting dark. Okay. Right. Should we go mining? I don't want to go. Let's make. Oh, sugar! Sugar! That scared me to death! I didn't punch him! Wait, was it because I punched the villager? Oh, sugar, he's come on. Oh, no! No, this is really bad. This is really bad. This is bad, guys. Oh, what the hell? He's still coming after me. Okay, I'm just gonna, like... I can't kill him because, like, I don't have the tools to kill him. Let's just hide in the houses. Oh, that scared me. I was like, who the hell did that? Oh, he's gonna come. Okay, he doesn't see me right now. Oh, shh. Holy moly. Oh, my goodness gracious. 4 hearts that I'm regenerating. Right, guys, I think I might end that episode there. That was totally unexpected, wasn't it? I think I'm going to end that episode there. I hope you liked it. And if you did, then give a thumbs up and everything. So, yeah. Bye!